Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change notification sounds on your group chats from your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on your group, now click here. Now here as you see you will find notification sounds. Click on it. Here just choose any sound you want and that's it. That's how to change or choose any notification sound on your group chats on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.